Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add an image to your newsletter. It is a very simple process. First of all, this is one of my newsletter. You can see I have got a few advertisement opportunities today also. You can see I have got 5 advertisement opportunities today itself, okay, today only. And you can see I have 3 advertisement opportunities to be placed on my newsletter. Okay, I will talk about all those things in my next videos. So if you want to write a newsletter, you should go to this post section like this. You can start writing your newsletter on your particular topic. You can create the title here, then you can write the content here like this. There are simple ways to write your newsletter. You can get help from AI, and you can of course duplicate your other post, your previous post, and you can edit them. There are a lot of ways. Okay, I will talk about all those things in my future video. So in this video we are focusing how we can add an image to your newsletter. Okay, it is very simple. You can type this slash icon like this, then you will see a pop-up window. From that window you can see a tab called image, this image tab like this. Then you can use an image from your library. That means images you have already uploaded into Beehiiv account, or you can upload that image from your computer. So if you have downloaded image on your computer, on your hard disk, you can upload that image by clicking this section. If you want to upload image which is already existed in your Beehiiv library, you can click on this one like this. Then you can add any image to your newsletter like this. You can click that like that. Okay, it's very simple. Then if you want to change the size of that image, click on this image and click on this one. Here you can adjust the sizes, like an image alignment like this, and you can change the border, right, border radius like this, right. You can do a lot of things. Okay, then you can add a link to this image. Here if you click this one, you can add a link, so whenever someone click this image, that person redirected to that your desired link. Or if you want to delete that image, you can click the image and you can delete this one, and you can replace the image. Click on this one, right. You can upload a new image, or you can replace this image from your image library like that. Of course you can add a caption here. Click on this image and you can add a caption to this image, right. It is helpful for the SEO purpose. Okay, like that, it is very simple. If you want to learn more about newsletter business, subscribe to my newsletter. Link is in the description. It is called 1 million newsletter. You can subscribe to that newsletter. I will share you tips and tricks about newsletter business. I will teach you how to grow a newsletter to earn at least $10,000 per month. Okay, until next time, bye bye.